Okay, let's see if this is familiar to you. You tell yourself you will just check one thing, just a quick scroll, just a message, just a notification, and then suddenly it's midnight. You have watched 17 videos about a cat with anxiety. You have googled if your ex is legally allowed to be happy and somehow ended up in the comments of a conspiracy theory thread. Your neck hurts, your eyes are tired, but you're still scrolling. Does that sound familiar? Yeah, that's the problem. Hello and welcome everyone to Lorino Assist. I am Lorino and this is where we come together to learn, grow, and be better than yesterday. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're back, welcome back. So let's hit. Today we're talking about your phone. The average person taps their phone 2,617 times per day. That's not casual use. That's compulsive behavior with a data plan. Over 3 hours per day. That's 1,100 hours a day. No. That's 1,100 hours a year. That's 45 full days of your life. Just vanish it. What could you do with 40 days of your life? Learn a new skill, definitely. Start a project you have been putting off since forever, of course. Maybe just breathe without distraction for 5 minutes. But instead, we swipe, we scroll, we just escape. Well, here's the sermon. I am not saying phones are evil. I'm not that guy, don't worry. But the phone isn't the villain. But if you treat it like a toy, something to distract you, to entertain you, to numb you, don't be surprised when your life starts to feel like it sucks and it is stuck on an aeroplane mode. Your phone is a tool to build, a tool to learn, a tool for connection. I mean real connection, not just likes and half-read texts. Think of it like a hammer. You can build a house or punch a hole on your wall. It depends on who's holding it and what they are trying to build. Right now, most people are just tapping bricks together and wondering why it doesn't look like a life. The real talk about all of this is we don't need to quit our phones. We don't need to go live in the woods, but you need to remember who is in control. You need to ask yourself who decides what you look at every day, who decides how your attention is spent, who gets to interrupt your peace, your work, your rest. Is it you or is the feed news, the notification, the algorithm? Be honest with yourself, because that honesty could be the difference between a life that's built and one that is distracted to death. So here's the challenge for today. Try to use your phone for one intentional thing, something that moves you forward instead of pulling you under. Send a real message. Watch a video that teaches. So if you are here, welcome already, you have done it. But take notes, build something. Use your phone the way a creator uses the tool, not the way a toddler uses a rattle. And then after you take notes, put it down. Let your mind go quiet. Let your thoughts catch up to what you have just experienced. Let your attention breathe again, just for a little while. You might be surprised at what's still there waiting for you. So your phone isn't the problem. The problem is forgetting who you are without it. Remember this, your phone is a tool. Use it to build something that lasts longer than that scroll. I hope you have enjoyed the video and you have learned something, and I will definitely be here on the next one.